Guys, another warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. And guys, we are on another grocery haul, another challenge for this week. My budget was $45, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got for $45. I'm telling you, the deals this week were great. Let's unbox. So for my protein, I got a whole chicken. This was $7, and I am hoping to make different dinners using this chicken. I'm going to be doing a salad. I'm going to be doing a roast of like root vegetables. And you can see here, I got some organic butternut squash. I got these potatoes back for like $3 and something. I don't remember. Yeah, but it was around $3. I got some carrots. I got, oh my gosh, I don't remember what this is called, but it's not a carrot, but I know it tastes good. Um, then I have one onion. I get some beets. So I will be doing a roast of like the root vegetables, and I can have that with the chicken. Um, I got some peas, split peas, which I'm going to make that and actually have it with this Greek pita bread. The deal that was there this week was, look at that. So this is 3 pounds of ground beef. This was for $5. You see how you can actually find a really good deal. This is going to give me a couple of dinners, probably some tacos, or like actually I'm gonna be making spaghetti, and I got the pasta sauce. So I'm excited to actually see what comes out of this, but I know it's going to be just amazing. Good morning, guys. It is a brand new day and it's cooking day. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to just show you guys what I make out of my $45 grocery budget for this week. It is a bright morning. I am ready to pump up the music and get started with cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is marinate the chicken, and I'm going to start with some yogurt, some chicken bouillon, tandoori chicken mix, some garlic and ginger mix, olive oil, some nutmeg, paprika, and some garlic powder. Do a really good mix until everything is looking like a paste that is smooth, and start to apply that to the chicken. Leave that in the fridge for about 3 hours as I get started to cooking other stuff. So here I am making the ground beef. This is going to be a quick and simple recipe, and I'm going to be using this ground beef to make my spaghetti, and hopefully have some leftovers to make some tacos during the week. So once the beef started cooking, I added in some chicken bouillon, some onions, and garlic powder, and mixed it up all together. And the ground beef is ready for garnishing. The next meal I am making is the split pea curry, and I have oil and some onions cooking. I'm gonna go in with some spices, curry powder, some garlic powder, turmeric, chicken bouillon, and I am going to cook that for a minute and then add in the tomatoes. I'm going to simmer that. Here I'm adding in some Kenyan spice called Royco Chuzi mix, and I'm going to just simmer the curry for about 5 minutes before I can add the split peas. Look at how beautiful that looks like. This is straight out of a restaurant, guys. I am topping it up with some heavy cream, and it is ready to serve and garnish. And up next is one of my favorite dishes. This is the roasted root vegetables. So I'm here just, chopping up everything. Um, I am going to add some onions, olive oil, some chicken bouillon, and fresh oregano. But also my secret ingredient for this is usually my salad dressing. I don't know, there's a thing about how like if you have a vinaigrette type of dressing, it just makes it sweet and tangy, and I love that. I love the smell of it too. I had to quickly run to the garden to have some jalapenos and some herbs. So I got some spring onions, some cilantro, um, basil leaves, and oregano, so I can use it to garnish my food. And here I am ready, and I'm adding in some oregano to my root vegetables, and I am going to give it a good mix, and they are ready for baking. And this meal is ready. I am garnishing with some green onions. Look at that. Up next is the pasta sauce. I'm going in with some olive oil, some onions, chicken bouillon, and then the canned pasta sauce. And I'm going to simmer that for a few, add in some garlic powder and some heavy cream. I also added a little bit of sugar to make it a little sweet. In the meantime, the spaghetti is cooking, and once everything was done, here we have everything in one bowl. Look at that presentation, guys. That is the meat, the ground beef, the spaghetti, and the sauce. Oh, side by side with the roasted vegetables. Another staple in my house is a salad, and so here I'm cutting up some cherry tomatoes. I have some black beans, some onions, green onions, and I am going to just layer that up together. And look at that. This can go with chicken, with rice, with anything you have. Up next is the rice dish, and I have had my basmati rice soaking for about maybe an hour. Here I have some oil and onions cooking. Then I'm adding this frozen mixed peppers with some cinnamon stick, cardamom, um, a Kenyan pilau masala, which is a mix of other spices. And then I'm going to add some water. Now let that cook for a minute and then add the rice. The rice is ready, and I want to top it with some carrots. So I'm going to pan fry it until they're soft and put it on top of the rice. Look at that presentation. I totally forgot about the chicken, but it is ready. I baked it at 400 for about 15 minutes, and here we have it, serving it on top of some collard greens from the garden. And you can see right there how beautiful it is. This right here is the extra ground beef that I'm going to be using it for something else during the week. But let's gather around for some food, guys. My handyman is actually outside fixing my deck, so I am going to invite him over so we can have lunch together. And I know the kids are super, super excited, especially for the spaghetti. And here we are. I don't know what happened, but the audio at this point went off. And Here is Nick and I serving the food, and he really liked it. Everybody enjoyed. We all sat down and ate, and it was just a beautiful afternoon. Guys, we are done eating, and I have everything that is left in these glass containers, and this is what we're gonna be eating the rest of the week. I am so excited because I have a busy week ahead, but I don't have to worry about food because the kids can just serve themselves, warm it up, and eat. Again, I want to say thank you so much for always joining in to our Friday new uploads, and please continue to do so. Subscribe, comment, and like. Engage us in the comment section. Let me know which other type of videos you want me to start including into my um, weekly content. Until then, guys, peace.